Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video. It is officially December and I'm so happy to be here with you. Thank you so much for taking time to click on this video. I'm happy you're here. If you're new, please subscribe and join the Lita familia, and yeah, let's just get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this needle bit. I'm going to lift the dead skin, which is also known as your cuticle. It is your cuticle. It's attached to your natural nail plate, and we're just going to lift that up. We're going to focus around the cuticle area really well, and then I'm going in with a sanding band. It is a fine sanding band by Pana, and I like how much surface it covered to make sure I etched my entire natural nail like so. Etch my nails and make sure that I don't have any oils or anything. I'm going to go in with Young Nails Swipe and manicure brush and swipe the debris away. It's going to cleanse and dehydrate the nail really well, and then we will get into tip application. If you have any questions on the products I'm using, please let me know. But look how nicely this cleanses and dehydrates. Look at that. That's what you want. Nice clean canvas. I'm going to go in with these tips. I just decided to go in and show you one nail since they were all the same nude color, same process for all 10 nails, you guys. So I'm going with acetone to adhere the tip to my natural nails. Just gonna dry it on there. I got this tip from, is it Christy Meekin? I always confuse it. I'm so sorry. And I'm going to cut to my desired length, and then I will be going in with Young Nails Protein Bond, and then we'll let it dry a little bit as we are getting our products ready. But I am going to be using Easy Flow Monomer and the Creme Brulee Cover Acrylic by Tones, and then this acrylic brush that I show you here next. It will be listed on my Amazon storefront. Really good quality, you guys. I'm like, why has this been sitting in my collection? I really thoroughly enjoyed using this brush, you guys. And then once I am ready and my brush is nice and saturated and clean, I'm going to go in and start my application. I will let you watch that, okay? Also, let's get rid of the outdated process of needing to use just 3 beads. If your nails are long, you're going to need 3 beads, and you want to make sure your structure is there, your thickness, however you see fit, especially if you're doing your own nails, okay? You want to do what works for you. So I'm just working my way up and down, filling in any gaps, making sure my sidewalls are thick so my nails just don't crack. Acrylic is really strong, so you don't really need thick nails. So again, it's just preference. And then once I'm around the cuticle area, I use the tip of the brush to seal that acrylic in really nicely. All right, so as you saw, I wasn't counting how many beads I was placing. I was just using my judgment and what I wanted my structure to look like, and I just went with that. So now I'm going in with this 80 grit file that I get on Amazon, and I'm going to put the shape back in and then file a tip, and I'm going to use the same file since it's nice and wide and cover the entire surface of the nail to level everything out. So you will see me do that, and then I will go in with a fine panna bit. I'm pretty sure it's also listed on my Amazon storefront, and I go around the cuticle area, level everything out, and also use the same bit to sharpen my tips as well, which you'll see. You'll see what I'm talking about. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. I would also love to hear from you guys. Leave in the comments section what you guys plan on doing for the holidays. Are you guys going to be traveling at all? Are you going to get together with loved ones? Or are you going to do a more like private setting and just stick to like your really close relatives? Or are you going to spend it alone? But I would love to hear from you. Just really just check in and see how you guys are doing and how you're doing for the holidays as well. If you are still watching, thank you for being here. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm so appreciative and I'm so grateful for you guys. You guys came into my life and really changed my life for the better. I was going through a really difficult time, and it was also coming up on the holiday season. I remember in 2019, I believe, the end of 2019, I really started focusing on this channel, and it's been a crazy roller coaster. I will be honest with that. There's a lot of untold stories for me when it comes to, social media and things that I've experienced. But I will say that this platform on YouTube has really given me a really great opportunity to meet a lot of you. And I say meet, but I want to say e-meet, get it? Like electronically meet you guys, whether it was through the comments or through, you went to Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and we've interacted there. But I just want to say that I'm just incredibly grateful for you guys to have believed in me from the beginning, and without you guys I really wouldn't be here doing this. You all inspire me. I know I get a lot of comments saying that I've helped you guys and that I've inspired you to keep going, and that means the world to me. I can't believe that I've been able to help people with something that I've always been passionate about since I was a young girl. And so yeah, it means the world to me, and just know that you all inspire me as well, and we inspire each other. And I try to focus on certain things on this channel just to know that being a nail tech and learning how to do nails isn't easy, and it is a struggle. It's hard on you physically, it can be challenging emotionally as well. And so just really not trying to sugarcoat everything, but just trying to keep a positive outlook on things while you're going through the process. I really tried to focus on that, just because it's something that I really didn't have access to when I was going through it back in the day. I really wish I had someone to tell me, what, it's going to be hard, you're going to go through it, but it's going to get better, and it is worth the time, the investment, and all the things. Just focus on your goal and your path and what it is that you guys want to do with this, this whole nail career situation. But anyways, I just want you guys to know that I'm so grateful for you. I love you. And to show appreciation, I am going to do a giveaway. So just make sure you comment on this video. Make sure you are subscribed and that you like this video, and also make sure you comment on any following videos that might be coming up that will enter you in this $100 cash giveaway. The giveaways are not affiliated with YouTube. They are provided by me personally. It is my way of giving back, and for you to support me, it is completely free. All you have to do, again, is just subscribe, like the videos, and then comment and show me that you are here. It costs nothing to show support, you guys. I have like 80% of the people that watch the YouTube videos, which I know they probably search for tutorials, but just stick around. Totally free. The brush that I'm using is the Winstonian. It is listed on my Amazon storefront, and I use it for pretty much everything except for the brush that comes with the Kiara Sky white canvas nail art gel, and that's pretty much it. So I was just, I know I was talking over the nail art, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to show you that. And also YouTube has a feature, you guys, if you want to slow down the video or speed it up, that is a feature. It's on your right hand corner. You can do that to the video. You can zoom in as much as you'd like if you want to zoom in, and you can also lower the volume if you don't want to hear what's being played on the video. Lower the volume, just watch it in silence if you want to just watch the tutorial. Just giving you some tips and some feedback that I've gotten in the comment section. Okay, so this is almost done. Let me know what you guys think about this design. I think they turned out really cute, but I'm already excited for a new design, you guys, because nail tech, sometimes we get bored really quickly. But I think they turned out really cute. I'm going to be posting them on Instagram, so if you don't follow me, there it is, Nails by Gemelita right now. I think I've changed it several times, you guys, but it's Nails by Gemelita. The link is on my channel page on YouTube. But yeah, before you go though, don't forget to comment with your Cash App or your PayPal tag, and with what we talked about. Check the description box for any information that you might need. And also, you guys, I want to mention the armrest. It doesn't show in the video, but it was in my last video. And I'm going to leave information where you can get the armrest. I'll leave a clip of the armrest that I have. It is in lavender. It is beautiful, you guys. I'll leave the information of where you can get it, and you can also get 20% off with the code. But I'll leave all that information in the description box, so don't forget to check down there. All right, and I love you. If you have any questions, again, let me know. But I'm signing off. I will see you guys in the next video, and good luck to everyone. Don't give up on learning. Trust the process. Have fun while you're doing it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day